Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Guys, right beside me I have a 35C compact commercial in one of our standard colors, dark sapphire blue. But this one has a special package that has not been released yet, until this video. America is celebrating its 250th birthday and we decided to commemorate that by offering an optional package on up to 250 splitters, the limited edition Freedom Splitter Package. Before I get into the details of the package, you may have spotted some of the items that are part of this package. But this is our compact commercial splitter offered in 28 ton or 35 ton. Being this is a 35C, this is our 35 ton. And you can expect about an 8.5 second unloaded cycle time. This is powered by a Honda GX390 13 horsepower gas engine. Has 12 volt electric start, 22 gallon a minute hydraulic oil pump. We've got Prince auto cycle valves. We have hydraulic log lift and hydraulic wedge height adjustment. Our in-house made hydraulic oil tank with sight glass thermometer. This customer got the optional hydraulic oil cooler package, which you can get on our 28C and above wood splitters. And we'll get into the details now on what the Freedom package includes. It is pretty bright back here and it is pretty hot back here. So I'm gonna walk underneath of this umbrella. This umbrella is part of the Freedom Splitter package. You can see that there's a vent on the top. It's got our logos on it, got the website listed on it. And attaching this umbrella to the splitter, I'll flip the camera around here. We have a custom in-house made stainless steel fabricated bracket assembly. And one of the challenges we had in putting this umbrella kit onto any of our splitters is that we didn't want it to just go on the back of the splitter. We already have provisions here on the back of the splitter to add our LED light tower or our wedge holder. And we wanted to keep the umbrella closer to the operator. So it was a bit of a challenge, but our engineers, they knocked it out. We have this bracket will basically clamp around the bottom of the beam, and you can put this in any position that you see fit, as long as the pipe can go through it. Now, you can cut this pipe short if you want and have it only go here, but I like having it touch the ground as well. Or on the HOs and the SHOs, for example, it can go down and it can rest on the frame. But you can see here how this is bolted together, and it's bolted together here. And I'll go to the other side to show you how that kind of clasps around the other side of the beam. There, you can see it right there. So you could choose to put it on this side as well. You could have it so the umbrella mount comes out right here and goes straight up here, and you'd still have room to use the auto cycle levers here. The custom decal, celebrating 250 years. We think this decal turned out pretty awesome. That's part of this package. And also with the Freedom package, you get aluminum wheel upgrade, which has never been offered before on our compact frame wood splitters. On the Freedom Splitter machines, there will also be a custom plaque that states which number out of 250 your machine is. So we're gonna build 250 Freedom Splitter packages with a cutoff date ordering by December 31st. And I think that's gonna fill up before we get to December 31st, but basically each machine is going to have its own plaque on it that says 1 of 250, 2 of 250, et cetera, et cetera. So it's kind of a cool way to commemorate America's 250th birthday. And putting all of these parts together, you're actually getting a pretty good package discount on the deal by getting the Freedom Splitter package. Now, I'm gonna go over a few things here too, because I know there's going to be questions about what parts can be ordered separately, because we will be doing some of that as well. So first and foremost, this decal will not be available separate. The only way that that decal will leave the factory is on a tank that is on a Freedom Splitter machine. So we'll get that out of the way first. The umbrellas will be available separately, as well as the umbrella mount brackets. So if you already have a machine and you want to get this umbrella set up, I will have a link in the description of this video for the umbrella and for the umbrella mount as well. The alloy wheels we've never offered on our compact machines before, but those might be available separately as well, as long as we have enough allocated for the Freedom machines first. And I think it goes without saying that the plaque that I do not have yet on this machine, the plaque will not be available separately. That is going to be on the Freedom splitters only. Now I'll have the full information in the description of this video as well, as far as which machines can be ordered with the Freedom splitter package. And it's going to be only on the 28C and above, so 28C, 35C, HOs, SHOs, verticals, etc. will not be available on the RS, the XS, or the Pros or the Pro X. That's just the way it's going to be for this Freedom splitter package. And it will be available on the vertical splitters as well, and it will be available on the HDIs and the XDIs. Of course, the HDIs and the XDIs will not be getting aluminum wheels. The other machines will, and the price points for each package vary depending on which machine. So for example, the compact Freedom splitter package is a little bit less than what the VS Freedom splitter package is. Available colors for the Freedom package will only be red, blue, or a custom upcharge for white. So we will do red, white, or blue in American color fashion. The white will still have a custom upcharge of $250, where the red and the blue will not. And again, I'll have all that information in the description of this video. Now, with all that said, I'm gonna fire up this 35C and split some wood. And this is going to be easy splitting wood because it is a bunch of dry ash. It's still sitting here from the firewood frenzy. So this stuff is probably ready to burn, throw in a campfire tonight if we wanted to. But I'm gonna run a few through the 4-way wedge, and this customer also got the 6-way, so I'll drop the 6-way on there and we'll split a few through the 6-way as well. We'll try something bigger. That's an ugly one. This is a very powerful splitter in a small, compact package. We just ran some of this dry ash, and I know a lot of people say ash is not hardwood, and yeah, typically it does pop apart and split nicely, but look at how stringy some of this stuff is. It's and it's dry too. I think this stuff can be thrown in the campfire pretty soon here. But I threw that 6-way on and put a couple of these other stringy pieces through here. You know the saying, ash is cash. So again, this Freedom Splitter package is going to be limited to 250 units, and order is going to be closed for it by December 31st. I do think that we're going to have 250 of these packages spoken for well before December. So if you're thinking about a splitter like this and you want to get in on that package, let us know. I will have all the information on the website for this. And of course, if you'd like any other details on our products that we offer here at Wolfe Ridge, the Yappa, Firewood, the Rami, pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, dealer locator, of course, our event schedule, and much more, please check out the website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.